Hey, what's up guys? It's Rachel, and today we are doing a what sold or 90-day recap on a makeup box that I purchased from Jomar. So if you are new here, welcome. Basically, a few months ago, I bought this box, and I'll link the original unboxing video in the comments. So I bought this box of makeup from Jomar Wholesale. Now I am, if you don't know, if you're new here, I am a part-time reseller. So I buy things to sell on my Poshmark, eBay, Mercari stores. And I'm looking to, make some money on what I am selling. So this box I purchased not knowing anything about makeup. You can even tell from the original video. I opened it up and I'm like, yeah, okay, it's all like new makeup, but I didn't know anything about it. I didn't know how it was going to do for me. So here we are 90 days later, and I'm going to show you what sold out of the box. And, I'll go over the stats. So, how much I paid for everything, how much I sold or how much profit I've made, what I still have left over, all of that. So this was a mixed makeup, like a makeup mystery box, and it was all new. It was 20 items. My total cost here was $74.60. So I think I had some kind of coupon or discount code when I purchased this. And it had 20 items in it. My total cost of goods was, or my average cost per item was $3.73. So I was able to list, just so you know how I came up with that, I was able to list all 20 items. And so that $74.60 divided across all 20 items was $3.73. So that's how I determined my cost per item on this box. And so this first item here, oh, by the way, I'm going in order from the least profitable to the most profitable. So this item right here was a Too Faced makeup remover. It was a mascara remover. It was a mini, so it was like a travel size. It was not a full-sized item. I did sell it on Poshmark for $15 plus free shipping. So for me, I ended up making like less than $1 on this. It was more or less a break even, get my money back, which is okay. When I realized it was not a full-size item, I kind of figured someone might bundle that or whatever. So to get my money back on it for what it was, okay, I'm not mad about it. But that was the lowest profiting item technically. Kind of the same thing with this. This was a bronzer mini, not a full size, 16 with free shipping. So I made like less than $2 on this item, but again, for what it was, oh well, right? I still sold it. Surprised it didn't sell in a bundle. This was another, and you guys, with Depop, so I use List Perfectly, right? I cross-post all my items, and then I can easily delist my items once it sells. But for some reason, with Depop, when I go to like delist, it deletes the item completely, and if I'm not careful, and I have to like be more careful if I'm going to do these videos. So that's what happened here. That's what happened on a couple of these, to be honest. So I'll show you this way. But anyway, this was another one of the bronzers. I had two of them. They were two different shades, but they were the same product. It was another mini, and that one sold for $11.25. I offered free shipping on that. So again, with my cost of goods being $3.73, my profit was a little over $3. I like that Depop's shipping is not crazy like Poshmark on a small, mini item, something that's very lightweight. So I'm okay with that as well. This next one it was like a liquid eyeliner. So it was like an eyeliner pen. This one actually sold just a couple days ago, and I'm a little bit over the 90-day mark when filming this. And so technically this was not sold within the 90 days, but since it was sold before I made the video, I went ahead and included it here. It was a $9 sale on Mercari. It was the first makeup item I sold on Mercari, so that was exciting. The buyer paid shipping on this one. There is one item in here too, and I'll just talk about it right now, that I don't have the sold listing because it actually sold on eBay and it sold right away. And so now that we're a little over 90 days, if you're familiar with eBay, you can't see the comps on your sold items, like after 90 days, they kind of drop off. So I can't show it to you, but it was a Too Faced lip gloss. It was a mini lip gloss. The color was Spice Girl. And I made $3.47. It sold for $9. The buyer paid shipping. This was another Depop sale. This was a blur spray. So it was like a setting spray. This was Milk Makeup. The buyer paid $14. I paid the shipping, so I earned $7.85 minus the $3.73. Again, a little under $4 profit. So far, we're going through the stuff that I didn't expect to make money on. Like, I wasn't sure, do I list this stuff individually? Do I sell it in bundles? Do I allow people to make bundles and give them a discount if they do multiple? I was kind of just experimenting here. I don't sell makeup. I've never dabbled into this, so I wasn't quite sure what my strategy needed to be here. But this was another thing that sold on its own. It didn't sell for a lot, but that's okay. This also sold on Depop. And you guys, after I did that original unboxing, and I was kind of like researching this stuff because, again, I never heard of Milk Makeup. I'm not really a makeup person. So I noticed that it was really like a trendy brand. A lot of like social media influencers were talking about it once I started searching. And so I said, you know what, I probably should list this stuff on Depop. If anything, maybe it'll give me some traction on my Depop store because I don't really sell. I have a lot of stuff cross-posted to Depop, but I don't make a ton of sales on there. So I was actually surprised that majority of what I sold, spoiler alert, because we're not done, but the majority of everything I sold on Depop. So that was kind of fun. This was a little set. So this was not full size. Each one of these little things were like minis, but it was a little lip set. And this sold for $25 with free shipping on Depop. This sold actually like within a few days of listing, so that was exciting. This was another bundle. I didn't really know a good way to show you guys, but this made me have hope for this box. This went, oh geez, it was maybe 24, 48 hours after I listed everything, and somebody bought a bundle of 4 items, so I was so excited. I was like, yay, you know, I'm going to actually like do something good with this Jomar box. I was very excited. It gave me hope, but it was 4 items. So this was a makeup remover and then 2 glitter sticks and a lip, some sort of lip stain. And the buyer paid a total of $70 with free shipping. So I made $52 from those 4 items. Now, if you take $373 off times 4, $3, $6, $9, $12, $14 off, you know, they're $30 profit on 4 items. Still not bad. I was hoping that I would get some bundle sales out of this though, because the stuff is little. It's cheap to ship, except when Depop combines it to $11, but whatever. So yeah, I was really excited about that sale. And then there is one more. This was the highest selling one item, and it actually sold on eBay. This was a foundation stick, and actually when I looked up comps on these, I was kind of impressed because this is it retails for a higher amount. It was a pretty good retail value, so I did price these kind of high. There were 3 of these in the box, and they were all different shades. Unfortunately, this is the only one that has sold. The other 2 I still have hanging around here. I probably, now that we're at the 90-day mark, I'm going to drop the price kind of just to move them out. But this one did sell for $25.49. The buyer paid shipping. So that was a nice one item that sold for a decent amount. And I was excited about that sale. That is everything that was sold. So I probably am going to go ahead and just kind of drop the prices on the rest of it just to move it out. I did purchase another Milk Makeup bundle recently from Jomar. And unfortunately I didn't wait until the end of this to see what happened with this box because, you know, I had those pretty good sales early on some of the stuff. So I feel like I might have jumped the gun and bought another one too soon, but I don't know. We'll see. I'll update you guys on that one too. I just posted my initial unboxing a couple weeks ago on that, so it'll be a little while to let that stuff sell. But this box, back to this box, my total cost was $74.60. My total profit, well, my total revenue from the whole box has been $140.02. And so that puts my profit at $65.42. Now, I said with this box, if I was going to say it was a good box, right, it would be I would triple my money within 90 days. Makeup isn't as seasonal, I would think, than clothing, right? If I get a box of sweaters and I list them in June, I'm probably not going to sell them in 90 days, right? But makeup is a little different. I was kind of hoping that, there was no seasonality involved. And so I did go ahead and declare I want to triple my money in 90 days. And at this point, this box, I have made a profit of $65.42, but it's only a little less than double. I've almost doubled my money. So was this a good box? Not really. It was fun to experiment. It was fun to make sales on a platform I don't normally make sales on. But money-wise, it was a little bit of profit, but was it really worth my time? No. Would I buy another one? Well, spoiler alert, I already did. But I'm not going to buy a third one until I see how the second one does. And based on how the first one did, if I would have waited, I probably wouldn't have bought the second one. But now that I have it, I'll see how it does. Yeah. So makeup, I guess if you really know what you're doing, maybe if you can get it at a lower cost of goods, maybe $3.73 an item. I think even though I got a discount on the box from Jomar initially, the cost of goods was way too high. So there you have it. I would love to hear your thoughts. What are your experiences with selling makeup? Is there a brand I should look for? Have you sold Milk makeup or any of these brands you've seen? Is there a certain platform I should try to sell them on, or any advice you have for me as a makeup newbie? Let me know. If you're still here, I appreciate you. If you found this video helpful, drop me a like. Please consider subscribing. I have started to do 90-day recaps on a lot of my unboxing videos, and any unboxing video I do, I will update you 90 days later. I also share all kinds of aspects on my reseller life, my thrift hauls and my what solds and all of that. So I would love to see you again in a future video. So thank you very much for joining me today, and I'll catch you in the next one.